Katikkiro, woman member of Parliament.
Akakiiko ka palamenti akakola ku nsonga z'obwa pulezidenti era nga ke kanoonyereza ku mabaati g'e Karamoja olwaleero kasisinkanye omumyuka wa Minisita asooka era Minisita w'ensonga za East Africa Rebecca Kadaga. Akakiiko kakulembeddwamu omumyuka waako ate nga ye mubaka wa Rushenyi Kabasharira. Kadaga omu ku basooka okuvaayo okutegeeza nga bwe yafuna amabaati gano annyonnyodde akakiiko lwaki yali ageetaaga.
A number of our facilities, schools, health centers, churches, households were damaged. So I received requests from the population for relief. So I accordingly wrote to the Office of the Prime Minister, and I've got copies of the letters here, to the Minister of Disaster Preparedness on the 16th of August 2022, requesting for support. On the same day I wrote to the Minister for Weather Triangle to give additional support.
Agamba nti yatandika okusaba amabaati gano oluvannyuma lw'obusolya bw'amasomero n'amalwaliro mu kitundu ky'okutikkukako olw'enkuba eyafudde emba mu Gw'omunaana gw'omwaka oguwedde.
So sometime in October, we were in the cabinet. The Honorable Kitutu came by me and said, contact my office for end sheets. So I said, oh, I think God has answered my prayers. So I came back and told my assistant, check with this minister. She says I should contact them for end sheets. So I asked my assistant to follow up. This was now October. Nothing happened. November, December. Then sometime in January, my assistant informed me that they have called me. They have rang here and says, can you send a car to pick the iron sheets?
Ababaka nabo baliko bye bamubuuzizza.
Did you ever question her whether there was ever a resolution in a meeting, be it cabinet or otherwise, that there was a donation of that kind?
I have no office at the OPM. I go there when I'm asked to do an assignment, but my work is here. So the internal workings of the OPM, I'm not in a position to tell you about them.
I understand these iron sheets were marked. Do you recall that? Have you?
They are marked.
Yeah, OPM. Were they part of OPM for Karamoja specifically?
The president has pronounced himself about this bonanza and asked all those who benefited, either consciously or unconsciously, to return the iron sheets. What do you say about this?
The health centers treat Ugandans. Up to today, they're not getting treatment. So I'll pay for them and continue with the programs.
Amabaati agoogerwako gaagulwa ku ssente ez'ennyongereza ezaayisibwa palamenti okusobola okuyambako abantu b'e Karamoja naddala abanyazi b'ente abaali beemenye nga baali balina okudda mu bulamu obuggya. Gano gaaleetedde dda abantu ebizibu nga Minisita w'e Karamoja Kitutu we twogerera ali mu mbuzi ekogga nanti omusango tegumanya nnyumba mbi.